Yes, welcome YouTube viewers. We are starting to harvest our potatoes. These are Kennebec potatoes and they're a little bit early. We started digging some and noticed that the bugs were starting to get to them pretty good, so we decided to go ahead and harvest a row. But this is the beginning of it here, and we are working on the row in the garden this way. They're pretty abundant right now. They seem like we used hay this year and harvested them. And there's a good harvester right here. But we're thinking we have I guess we're about halfway through this row, and we have another row beside it, and we harvested some red potatoes and some other potatoes over here, but we're hoping to have 400 or 500 pounds this year. We'll see how that goes.